how to get brand deals this year. And if you ask me, this is the year. In 2020, brands slashed their advertising dollars, and according to the Wall Street Journal, they are planning on making up for it in 2021, spending billions of dollars on digital advertising with influencers and creators. In this video, I'll share exactly how to pitch to brands, the step-by-step process from the industry's leading expert. If you're new around here, I'm Phil, and on this channel, I share practical advice to build your brand, including Instagram, blogging, pitching yourself, and more. Consider subscribing for more videos just like this one and hit that bell to be notified when I post next. Now let's talk all about brand deals. Today I'm in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, and the idea for this video came from a recent Instagram Live, which I did with my friend, Jenny Melrose. There's no one smarter in the business than Jenny Melrose when it comes to pitching and winning brand deals. We had such a good, productive chat, and I'm sharing highlights with you today. And listen to this. Jenny has kindly shared a workshop with me that she normally charges $40 for. She shared it with me for you for free, and I've linked to that below. You can also get a PDF version of some of the ideas I'm sharing with you today. So stick with me here first for a few minutes while we talk about crafting your pitch, and then you'll hop over to Jenny's free workshop, link below. Highly recommend. Where do you even begin when it comes to getting a brand deal? I'm going to tell you where to start, and so you don't get overwhelmed. The place to start, according to my friend Jenny, is tip number 1. Research brands that you want to work with and find the right contact person. It's as simple as starting to take inventory of brands that you love and use every single day. So stop for a second and make a list. What do you wear? What do you put on your face, makeup or products? What tools and equipment do you rely on? Make a list, and when you're satisfied with a few items that you've identified, you need to get in touch with those brands, but there's a trick here. It's not as simple as just firing them a DM or a direct message on Instagram. Why? Well, that message doesn't go to the right person. It likely goes to a person managing social media, not making brand deals, so you need an email address. And Jenny says finding the correct email address is your golden ticket. It shows professionals that you did a little homework. So you need to put in some work to find it. Tip number 2, when introducing yourself, also explain why you're a good fit for the brand. Your written email pitch is a lot like an elevator pitch, and it should be about the company, not you. Jenny gives a great example here, saying, I create quick and easy recipes for busy families, and as a busy mom, I appreciate the simplicity of your fabulous frozen vegetables, for example, that I make in every meal. It makes them a little bit healthier. I love that example, and if you can research the brand's website for their tagline and important details about their products, that's even better. Tip number 3, pick only one product and explain its value to you. Don't be vague here. The more specific you can get, the stronger the case you'll make that you actually use and love the products for the reasons you provide. Here's another great example from Jenny. After bringing home our new puppy, I love your super absorbent paper towels. I go through half the amount I was using with the store brand. Make sense? She adds that you should be honest and sincere because they can totally sniff out from a mile away if you aren't honest and sincere. Tip number 4, describe your audience size. Size matters to brands, and it's likely going to affect how much you can charge. Here's how to calculate it. Your audience size or reach is a combination of page views and social media followers. So reach is equal to your 30-day average page views on your blog plus your social media following. That's the calculation. Pretty simple and straightforward. Just add them together so that you have some idea to convey to the brand how big your audience is using this simple formula. Tip number 5, explain where your influence lies and how it relates to the company. This is where you showcase your strengths and how you see yourself working with the brand. What do you envision? Live video, video series, blogs, Instagram stories, or Instagram posts? The list goes on. Explain it so the brand can envision it too. Now on to the last tip in this video. Tip number 6, clearly state your ask. What do you want from them? This leads the brand to the next step, confirming their interest in you working together. So stating something like this, I'd love to send over my media kit and proposal for your review. so then you can get to the next stage with them and hopefully work together. In the interest of time, I've skipped over a few of Jenny's tips, including providing an example of your previous work, proofreading, and the way that you need to close a pitch most effectively. Jenny outlines all of these things, including a real-life example of a pitch that she used to get a 5-figure brand deal. That's all in the link below, and it includes her workbook, which is super helpful. Now I want to hear from you. What is your dream brand deal? Mine might be one like Tesla, although I don't drive, or maybe a product like Apple or Lululemon, which is where I buy most of my clothes. I would love to hear from you. Put it in the comments below the brand that you would dream of collaborating with. And if you have any other lingering questions about pitching brands, go ahead and put those in the comments below. I keep an eye on those and I respond personally so we can keep the conversation going from there. If you like this video, I would totally appreciate a like and consider subscribing for more videos just like this one about branding, positioning, building, and promoting your personal brands. Next, I'm linking you through to some videos that I think you're going to find helpful. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.